Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, we're going to take a look at Webflow and Lovable to see which website builder is better. So I have here a list with the pros and cons for each one of them. So we're going to take a look at Webflow first. So the pros are that they offer deep design flexibility with a visual editor that generates clean HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Includes a built-in CMS and e-commerce capabilities, supports custom code, integration, and provides robust project management and collaboration tools. The cons has a steeper learning curve, which might be challenging for beginners, can become expensive, and some users report that customer support could be more responsive. Then we have Lovable, which is best for non-technical users and startups aiming to build web apps quickly using AI assistance. So the pros are that they utilize AI to accelerate the web app development, integrates seamlessly with tools like Supabase and GitHub, features a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface, and offers a free plan. The cons lack support for native mobile app development and may encounter issues with complex tasks or integrations. Community support is limited, with some users reporting unhelpful experiences. So these are the pros and cons. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.